Let me ask you something. Have you ever prepared an English sentence in your head? You practiced it many times, but when it was finally time to speak, your mind suddenly went blank?
Oh, yes. That moment feels terrible. Someone looks at you and says, "So, tell me about yourself." And suddenly your brain says, "Error, system not working."
Exactly. You know the words, you studied the grammar, but speaking still feels scary.
And many English learners think the problem is vocabulary or grammar, but usually the real problem is something else.
The real problem is lack of speaking practice. Your brain understands English, but your mouth is not trained yet.
That's why today we are going to practice a very powerful technique, a technique used by language learners all around the world.
It's simple, it's effective, and you can practice it even if you are alone.
It's called shadowing, and by the end of this episode, you will already feel more comfortable speaking English. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's practice English together.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. And today we are not just talking about English, we are practicing English together.
Think of this episode like a friendly podcast, two friends talking, and you are part of the conversation.
You will hear real sentences, real conversations, and you will repeat them with us.
That's the key to improving speaking. Not just listening, but speaking out loud.
Even if you are alone in your room, even if someone thinks you are talking to yourself, it's okay, because this is how language learning works.
And remember something important. Nobody speaks perfect English all the time. Even native speakers make mistakes.
So relax, make mistakes, laugh, and keep speaking.
So Sarah, let's explain shadowing in a very simple way.
Sure, shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately, like a shadow follows a person.
You hear a sentence and you repeat it. Same rhythm, same tone, same speed.
This helps your brain learn natural speaking patterns instead of translating word by word.
And the best part? Your pronunciation improves automatically.
Okay, everyone, let's start with simple sentences. Repeat after us.
I am learning English. Repeat.
I practice every day. Repeat. I want to speak confidently. Repeat.
Making mistakes is okay. Repeat.
Practice makes progress. Repeat.
Great job. Already 5 sentences. Your brain is warming up, but here's a question. Why do some learners study English for years, but still feel nervous speaking?
That's because they practice passive learning, listening, reading, watching videos, but speaking very little.
Imagine learning to play the guitar, but never touching the guitar, just watching videos. Would you become a good musician?
Of course not. Speaking English is the same. Your mouth needs training.
Let's imagine something. You are at a small event, maybe a meeting, maybe a class. A person smiles and says, "Hi, nice to meet you." What do you say? Let's practice.
Repeat after us. Hi, nice to meet you too. Repeat.
My name is Sarah. Repeat.
What's your name? Repeat.
Where are you from? Repeat.
I'm from Pakistan. Repeat.
What do you do? Repeat.
I'm learning English. Repeat.
Excellent. These are real sentences used every day.
Now let's make it harder. I will ask a question. You answer out loud. Ready?
Question 1. What is your name? Pause.
Question 2. Where are you from? Pause.
Question 3. Why are you learning English? Pause.
Very good. If you answered those questions, you are already speaking English.
Story moment. Sarah, do you remember your first English conversation?
Oh, yes. I was extremely nervous. My hands were shaking.
What happened?
A tourist asked me, "Can you help me?" And I said, "Maybe, small help."
That's actually very cute.
Yes, my grammar was terrible, but we still understood each other.
And that's the most important thing. Communication, not perfection.
Repeat after us. Communication is more important than perfection.
I speak to connect with people.
I am improving every day.
I believe in my progress.
Repeat after us.
I believe in my progress.
Imagine you walk into a cafe. You go to the counter. The worker asks, "What would you like?" Let's practice.
I'd like a cup of coffee. Repeat.
Can I get a sandwich? Repeat.
Do you have tea? Repeat.
I'll take this one. Repeat.
Thank you very much. Repeat.
Have a nice day. Repeat.
Perfect. Now you can order food confidently.
But here's something interesting. Many learners know these sentences, but still hesitate to speak.
Why? Because their brain still wants to translate. Shadowing trains your brain to respond faster without translating.
Small talk is very common in English. For example, talking about the weather, the weekend, or hobbies. Let's practice.
How was your weekend? Repeat.
It was great. Repeat.
I relaxed at home. Repeat.
I watched a movie. Repeat.
What about you? Repeat.
That sounds fun. Repeat.
Excellent. These sentences help you keep conversations going.
Now, your turn. Answer these questions out loud. What did you do yesterday? Pause.
What is your favorite hobby? Pause.
What movie do you like? Pause.
Amazing. If you answered those questions, you just practiced real conversation skills.
Now let's practice something very useful. A simple job interview question.
Repeat after us. Tell me about yourself. Repeat.
My name is Sarah. Repeat.
I enjoy learning new skills. Repeat.
I am hardworking and motivated. Repeat.
I want to improve my career. Repeat. Great job. These sentences are very useful for professional situations.
Let's talk honestly for a moment. Learning English can feel slow, sometimes frustrating.
You may feel you compare yourself to other learners and think, my English is not good enough.
But remember something important. Language learning is a journey, not a race.
Every small step matters. Every sentence you speak is progress.
Here's a simple routine. Minute 1 to 2. Listen to English audio. Minute 3 to 5, shadow the sentences. Minute 6 to 8, repeat without audio. Minute 9 to 10, create your own sentences. Example, I like tea. I like coffee. I like learning English. This daily habit builds confidence.
Final confidence practice. Repeat after us. I can speak English. Repeat.
I am getting better. Repeat.
I practice every day. Repeat.
I am proud of my progress.
Before we finish today's episode, we have a question for you.
What situation makes you most nervous speaking English? Meeting new people, phone calls, job interviews?
Tell us in the comments. We read every comment and we may create a lesson for you.
And if this video helped you practice English, support the channel, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend learning English.
Because learning English is easier when we learn together.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember, confidence comes from practice.
See you in the next episode.